Hi, my name is Stephanie Payne. I'm a registered nurse, and I'm here to interview Walt Crocker, the author of Diabetes, A Lifetime of Being Too Sweet. And Walt, I understand that you had a few issues being diagnosed with diabetes. Would you tell me about that?
Yeah, when I was 14 years old, my uncle was diagnosed with diabetes, and he was put in the old Jewish hospital in St. Louis. And our doctor was our family doctor. He had taken care of my grandparents on down for like 40 years. And basically, I noticed that I was having the same symptoms as my uncle. Okay, increased thirst. I was losing weight. I was hungry all the time. Lack of energy. So I went to see Dr. Lipsitz was his name, and basically I told him that I was having the same symptoms as my uncle, and he said, no, it's just growing pains. You're just concerned about your uncle. That's the only problem, you know. And I said, okay. So I kept having the symptoms, so I sent away to the American Diabetes Association. Back in those days, we didn't have the finger stick blood test, so I sent away for what is called a test tape, and you place that in your urine, and it will turn colors and tell you whether you had sugar or not. So mine turned a very bright green, so I went back again and told him that. And he said, well, those tests aren't very accurate. So again, I just think you're worried about your uncle, you know. So okay, so fine. So the third time I went back, he actually told me, you know, if you keep coming here and telling me this, he goes, I'm gonna have to put you into the hospital for psychiatric evaluation. He goes, because I think you're just blowing this all out of proportion. He goes, it's just growing pains. You don't have diabetes. So finally, I think the fourth visit to the doctor, my mother got involved in it, and we did the blood test, and my blood sugar was over 800. So at that time, he said, Walt, very solemnly, I hate to inform you, but you have diabetes. And I was needless to say, that was the last time I seen my family doctor.
Thanks, Walt. That was great. So the book is available on lulu.com